Today we're doing a Lover's Delight. This is a drink. The original recipe for this drink calls for equal parts of the three liqueurs. I'll tell you what they are in a second. Even the above modification is still much too sweet. It can be greatly improved by adding about 2 parts lemon juice and increasing the proportion of cognac to 8 parts. Here's the thing. The original recipe is 2 parts cognac. 8 parts is literally 4 times as much. Wow. Wow. So that's pretty intense, and then lemon juice never came into the picture. It's crazy. Crazy talk. So we start off with 1 part Cointreau. It's going to be 1 part triple sec because I am cheap as hell. 1 part, it says forbidden fruit. That's passion fruit. Passion is forbidden, I guess. Half these liqueurs are not available because this was written in 1942. Do you know what year it is? Not that year. Almost 100 years later, based on my maths. That's how English people say math. 1 part this. Passion fruit. And then, the last of our cognac. We're gonna hope this is 2 parts. Who knows what will happen. It's gonna be close. Then you add ice. Alright, then you shake this bad boy up. Apparently call everything bad boys. These videos have made me really self-conscious. Alright, here we go. This is a thing. Oh no, it looks nice. Are you ready for some football?
Football! Sports!
Sports teams.
Yeah.
Try this thing.
It smells.
Do you remember what it's called?
No, I don't.
This is a Lover's Delight.
I'm delighted. It actually is really good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yo, so...
It is pretty sweet, though.
Well, don't give old David Ambury like,
I mean, I don't want
ammunition.
8 shots of fucking... Oh god, we can't say fucking on here.
No, you can.
Oh.
It's fine. The original drink calls for equal parts. Yeah, he says, this version that we're doing is a modification, and he still thinks it's much too sweet and can be greatly improved by just changing it entirely, like so hard.
Just don't make it.
Just make it.
Else.
Just have whiskey. This is a guy that just wants whiskey on the rocks always, and
I mean, that's what I was drinking.
it's totally fine. Whiskey on the rocks is great, but like, if you're gonna be mixing drinks, mix some drinks.
It's not bad.
And have one of these. Honestly, in my opinion, not sweet enough.
Really?
Yeah, throw some sugar in this bitch.
Get out of here! It was sweet.
It also, genuinely, another thing I would think about doing with this is throwing it in a blender. And
slushy.
Yeah, make a slushy out of this baby. Because that would be this is the perfect taste for a slushy drink. So do that. And subscribe. Look at these videos. Do things.
Comment.
Yeah, comment. We don't get enough comments. Comment. It might feel like you've commented too many times. Do it anyway. Who cares? It's a fun time. Get interactive. It's social media. Why not?
Our dog wears coats.
Yeah, our dog wears coats. You can comment. Those are related somehow. Bye.